Introduction. Welcome to this video on navigating the civil cases court system. Civil cases are legal disputes between two or more parties seeking compensation or specific performance, rather than criminal sanctions. Navigating the civil court system can be daunting, especially if you are not familiar with the process. In this video, we will provide you with the information you need to know to navigate the civil court system with ease. Part 1. Understanding the civil court system. The civil court system is different from the criminal court system. In a criminal case, the state brings charges against an individual, and the individual can be sent to jail or fined if found guilty. In a civil case, two parties have a dispute, and one party is seeking compensation or specific performance from the other party. The goal of a civil case is to obtain a judgment, which is an official decision made by a judge. There are two types of civil cases: small claims court and general civil court. Small claims court is for disputes under a certain amount, usually $10,000 or less. General civil court is for disputes over a larger amount. General civil court can be divided into limited jurisdiction and unlimited jurisdiction. Limited jurisdiction is for cases up to a certain dollar amount, usually $25,000 or less. Unlimited jurisdiction is for cases over that amount. Part 2. Filing a lawsuit. If you believe that you have a valid legal claim against someone, the first step is to file a lawsuit. To do this, you will need to complete a complaint form, which outlines your legal claim and the relief you are seeking. You will then need to file the complaint form with the court clerk and pay a filing fee. Once you have filed your complaint, you will need to serve the other party with a copy of the complaint and a summons, which notifies the other party that they are being sued. This can be done by a process server or by certified mail. Part 3. The discovery process. After the complaint has been filed and served, the discovery process begins. The discovery process is the stage in which both parties gather evidence and information related to the case. This can include depositions, interrogatories, requests for documents, and requests for admissions. Depositions are interviews with witnesses or parties to the case, which are conducted under oath. Interrogatories are written questions that one party sends to the other party, which must be answered under oath. Requests for documents and admissions are requests for specific documents or admissions of facts. Part 4. Pretrial. After the discovery process is complete, the case will proceed to a pretrial conference. During the pretrial conference, both parties will meet with a judge to discuss the case and try to reach a settlement. If a settlement cannot be reached, the case will proceed to trial. Part 5. Trial. During the trial, both parties will present their case to a judge or a jury. The judge or jury will then make a decision and issue a judgment. If the judgment is in your favor, the other party will be ordered to pay you the amount specified in the judgment. Part 6. Appeals. If you are not satisfied with the judgment, you have the right to appeal. An appeal is a request for a higher court to review the decision made in the lower court. If the higher court finds that the lower court made a mistake, they may reverse the decision or order a new trial. Conclusion. Navigating the civil court system can be complex, but understanding the process can help you to feel more confident and prepared. Remember, if you believe that you have a valid legal claim, the first step is to file a lawsuit. From there, the case will proceed through the discovery process, pre-trial conference, trial, and, if necessary, appeals. It is important to have a knowledgeable and experienced attorney to guide you through the process and advocate for your rights. It is also important to remember that the civil court system is not a quick fix. Civil cases can take months or even years to resolve. However, by being prepared and understanding the process, you can increase your chances of a favorable outcome. We hope that this video has provided you with a better understanding of the civil court system and what you need to know to navigate it. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in any legal disputes you may face in the future.